Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to use public transport in the UK. Planning your journey effectively is key to a smooth experience. Always research your routes and timetables online beforehand, and consider a rail card for train travel savings. Checking for service updates is crucial, especially during peak times, to avoid unexpected delays. Understanding various ticket options will help you find the most economical choice for your trip. When it comes to tickets, London offers convenient contactless payment or an Oyster card for seamless travel. Outside the capital, you can buy tickets online, at station kiosks, or directly from bus drivers. For extensive travel within a specific area, day tickets or travel cards often provide excellent value. Remember that peak and off-peak fares can differ substantially, so timing your journey can save you money. The UK boasts a diverse public transport network. Trains are excellent for intercity travel, often providing comfortable and scenic journeys across the country. Buses offer comprehensive local and regional coverage, reaching many smaller towns and villages. In London, the Underground, or Tube, is an incredibly efficient way to navigate the city. Don't forget ferries for reaching islands and coastal destinations. To ensure a pleasant journey for everyone, remember a few etiquette tips. Always offer your seat to those who need it more, such as elderly or pregnant passengers. Keep your voice down and use headphones for music or calls to respect fellow travelers. On London escalators, stand on the right to allow others to walk on the left. Finally, always be aware of your belongings and personal space.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.